Introducing the EZ-Latch lock. Simple and effective for two-stage bottom last ejection. Let's explore the EZ-Latch lock, focusing on its main components: the fixed latch bar, the latch body, and the retainer. Here, observe how the latch bar remains fixed, while both the latch body and retainer move. Now, let's examine the latch lock in detail. Notice how the retainer's position dictates the first stroke, S1. During the initial stroke S1, the retainer and latch body move together. After S1, the retainer releases the latch body to complete the final stroke, while the retainer stays stationary. Let's see how the latch lock is installed in a mold base. The retainer is mounted on the top ejector plate. The latch bar is mounted on the fixed support plate. And the latch body is mounted on the bottom ejector plate. Similarly, another latch lock is mounted on the other side of the mold base to maintain balance and precision. Here's the mold base in action. Initially, both ejector plates move together for the designated stroke, S1, allowing the lifters to release undercuts. After the first stroke, the bottom ejector plate continues independently for the final stroke, to eject the part. In this sectional view of the latch lock, observe how the latch lock controls the movement precisely, facilitating an accurate two-stage bottom last ejection. Let's see how to choose the right EZ-Latch lock for your application. Start by setting the required stroke, S1, as shown. Next, select the body length that fits best on the bottom ejector plate. Finally, choose the latch bar length that's ideal for mounting on the fixed support plate, as demonstrated here.